What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video, I'll be doing a trade recap that I took on Palantir. It was a 4-minute play, easy in and out, and I want to show you guys exactly what I look for when I'm hopping into puts. If you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content. Also, if you want to be a part of a trading community with over 1,600 members, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So now that we have Palantir pulled up on the charts, I'm going to show you guys exactly why I was keeping an eye on this stock as a day trade. So right here, I drew out this downward trend on Palantir a few days ago, and yesterday it actually broke out of this downward trend, and I can see Palantir definitely reaching its all-time high pretty soon. And you can see that the MACD crossed up, so this definitely has a lot of upside. So if we hop down to the 1-minute time frame where I do all my day trades, I'll show you guys exactly how I played this. So yesterday, as I stated before, it broke out of the downtrend and it retested it here, but now it's continuing to trade higher. So if we zoom in on today, I'll show you guys my entry and my exit for this play. So right here at the open, we see a little bit of profit taking from Palantir, but then it quickly reverses to the upside, bounces off the VWAP, and starts to trade higher. So now I was looking to play puts for Palantir just as a scalp or day trade. Long term, I am bullish on Palantir, but I just wanted to take advantage of a small move. So typically when a stock breaks out and it starts to trade higher, it doesn't just go straight up unless it's GameStop or AMC. It definitely has pullbacks on the way. So when I'm looking to play puts on a stock, I like to see that it is stretching the upper VWAP. The upper VWAP can act as resistance on a stock, and it can definitely pull back to the 9 EMA and then continue to trade higher. So right here, I see Palantir pulls back to the 9 EMA, pushes up to VWAP, doesn't quite pull back, and then it continues to go even higher, even outside of the upper VWAP level. So right here at 10 o'clock is where I was looking to buy the puts, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more. And right here we can see that the RSI is overbought and the MACD is very high. So right here at 10 o'clock, I start adding positions for puts on Palantir. Puts meaning I'm betting that the stock is going to go down. And then at 10:01, I'm slightly down on my position and I continue to add more puts to my play. And I was comfortable adding more contracts because, as I stated before, the RSI is overbought and the MACD you can see starts to curl down. So if we go over to Robinhood, I'll show you guys my Palantir history, and right here at 10 o'clock February 5th, I bought 15 contracts at an average cost of $139 per contract, and then a minute later, which was that candlestick I showed you guys, at 10:01 I had 5 more contracts at an average cost of $135, and then on that same candlestick at 10:01 I added even more. So in total I have $3,410 into this play. And if we go back to the chart, we can see now we start to see Palantir dipping back to this 9 EMA. So right here, we see it fall, and right here I'm about break even on my position. And then on the next red candlestick, I see it get to this 9 EMA, and I want to be out of my play. The 9 EMA, as I stated before, can act as support. And if you have puts, you don't want this thing to bounce and continue to trade higher, because then you'll be down even more money. So right here at the start of this candlestick, I got out of my play. And if we go over to Robinhood, I sold all 25 contracts at an average cost of $144, totaling $3,600. So that was a total profit of about $200. Right here I got filled at 10:04. And right now we can see that Palantir, as I stated before, tested this upper VWAP level, pulled back to the 9, and the MACD is starting to curl down, which shows that the momentum is switching to the sellers. Now I could have held this play or a little bit of contracts a little bit longer to see if it fell to VWAP or even the 21, but I didn't want to take that chance, and I was happy with the quick profit that I had. And if we zoom out, I'll show you guys right here on Palantir. It presented another opportunity for puts. Right here we can see it forms a double top, and a double top is a bearish pattern. Right here it gets rejected at this previous swing high, and then it trades even further down to VWAP. So this was another entry I could have taken, but as I stated before, I didn't want to overtrade and I was pretty happy with my profits for the day. Long term, I am bullish on Palantir, but this is how I play puts for stock. I am more comfortable buying puts for stock than calls for day trades because stocks always have a pullback. A stock can't just go straight up and continue to go straight up. So I like to play these pullbacks when I am day trading and look for bearish patterns. As you guys saw in the charts, Palantir was overbought on the 1 minute time frame, so I wanted to take advantage of that by buying puts. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.